Okay, let's go on. The toad and sheep monster look quite good right now, but the ball head of the toad is a little weird. So I decided to try adding horn. With reference of a goat, I judged a goat's horn twisted in circle. Because the twisted horn is complicated and hard to draw precisely, I just guidelines to help myself find the right position. Then I go on with the detail. A helpful way to draw a realistic goat horn is to track it by a real picture. Learn how it constructs, how it twists, and what the texture is. If you are painting color, you should also see what the color is and how the color changes on each surface. But you don't have to draw it like a copy of the picture because that we are not drawing realism. Okay, go on with the other horn. We can only see part of the right horn for the reason that the left horn is standing in front of it. To keep it simple, I only draw rough sketch. Here I also use shadow to make it dark as if it is on the background and to make sure that it will not catch eye. Now the toad and sheep monster is going to finish. We still have to look for detail we miss and detail that can be resolved to better. Add new texture and new fur to enrich the detail, reshape some part of the body and make it more reasonable. Draw shadow on some part in order to make the others outstanding. Okay, the final things we have to do is to resolve sunlight with darker color. By doing this, we make the shape of the monster clear. We make the leg beneath with earth apart from the leg far from earth, both the front and the back. Draw dark shadow on the leg to construct volume. And most importantly, we resolve the eyes to make it bright and piercing. Okay, the lecture is over here. Thanks for watching.